Welcome to this comprehensive guide on PayPal Credit, a convenient and secure way to make online purchases. PayPal Credit is a line of credit that allows you to make purchases online and pay for them later, with flexible repayment options. To get started with PayPal Credit, you need to apply for it through the PayPal website. The application process is straightforward, and you will typically receive a decision within minutes. Once you are approved, you can use PayPal Credit to make purchases at thousands of online merchants that accept PayPal. Here's how it works. When you make a purchase using PayPal Credit, you will be presented with a range of repayment options. You can choose to pay the full amount up front, or you can opt for a repayment plan that allows you to pay in installments over time. The repayment terms will vary depending on the merchant and the amount you borrow. One of the key benefits of PayPal Credit is its flexibility. You can use it to make purchases of any size, from small transactions to larger buys. Additionally, PayPal Credit offers a range of protections, including purchase protection and return shipping coverage. To use PayPal Credit effectively, it's essential to understand the terms and conditions of your agreement. This includes the interest rate, repayment terms, and any fees associated with late payments. It's also important to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. In practice, using PayPal Credit is simple. For example, let's say you want to purchase a new laptop that costs $1,000. You can use PayPal Credit to make the purchase and opt for a repayment plan that allows you to pay $50 per month over 20 months. This way, you can get the laptop you need now and pay for it over time. In conclusion, PayPal Credit is a convenient and secure way to make online purchases. By understanding how it works and using it responsibly, you can enjoy the flexibility and convenience of paying for purchases over time. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your agreement and make your payments on time. To get the most out of PayPal Credit,